Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gurpreet, your tarot card reader and spiritual guide. I am truly grateful that you have been divinely guided to this reading today. Before we begin, take a deep breath with me. Release all your stress and tension and set a clear intention. Tarot is not about fear, it is about clarity, guidance, and intentions. The messages you hear today are not random. If this reading resonates with you, take it as a sign from the universe that you are exactly where you need to be. Now take a deep breath and select any of these crystals. See what you resonate with. If this is the deck that you selected, then let's see how April is going to be for you. If you were in any kind of partnership or in a relationship, then in the past the things have been very good and smooth. The period had been very nice and you had enjoyed a lot during all these 4 months. But now in April things are going to be a little different. You have to be politically correct in the relationship and in business partnerships as well. You have to be very diplomatic, and another thing is that you have to be aware of that person who you think has a little double face. In this period, you have to keep a little patience. If you pass this period with patience and little calmness, then you will pass through it. Otherwise, this is going to be end of this relationship. I am very sad to say, but things are not looking that great right now. You can see these two cards. These cards need a lot of patience, and right now you need to ignore the fights, you need to ignore the harsh communication between each other, and if you sail through this, then things are going to be very great afterwards, but otherwise it is going to end it in a different way. All you need to do is have a lot of calmness in your mind and heart. If there is silence and peace inside you, then you can see through all the situation from your own heart and mind, and you will act accordingly. And I really suggest that have patience, just ignore fights, just ignore arguments, ignore your ego right now. Just take this reading as a message from the universe and your spirit guides that they really want you to listen to this and have patience right now. You don't need to panic, you just need calmness. And if you chose this deck, this is the message for you for the month of April. Let's see what cards want to tell you for the month of April. In the month of April, 100% there is going to be a role of a feminine energy in your life. It can be your mother, it can be your girlfriend, it can be your sister. Someone, a feminine energy is going to play a very big and a positive role in your life in the month of April. In love and relationship, it is going to be a wonderful time. You will enjoy this time with very high spirits. Definitely for love, relationship, partnership and business, it is going to be a wonderful time. You're going to be emotionally very stable, and financially also the things look very nice. For job, career, things are going to be very nice for you in this month. But in future, the emotions might overflow. You need to have a control over your emotions. You cannot overthink. You tend to think too much during this time, but negative thinking is not recommended to you right now, because your over emotional and over negative thinking will take you down the line, not towards your goals. In the month of April, the cards suggest you that there are going to be very good opportunities career-wise, and you are going to listen to good news and good opportunities. It is suggested that you need to complete your work which is in hand so that the new opportunities knock your door. Health is also going to be very good and under control. You just need to be a little more active and be a little consistent with your workouts. And the only drawback which I see is that end of the month you will become a little controlling, which is not suggested. Don't trust everyone around you. You need to open your eyes and see it through your own eyes and use your own brains. Just don't go by the words of others. If you chose this deck, then this reading is for you for the month of April. Right now you're feeling not very energetic, you are not willing to work too much, you are just wanting to rest. It is okay to rest for a while, then channelize your energies and be ready for the next months to achieve what you are looking forward. Right now I want you to shed all the negative thoughts and get ready to fight again. What it is right now is just a bend, not the end. Don't think so much negative about yourself. Just get up, and it is all around the corner, all positivity. Believe me, there is a lot of positivity around the corner. While you are taking time to know yourself, just see what you are lacking behind and what are your drawbacks and where the things are going wrong. You really need to check it by yourself, or you can ask or take suggestions from someone who's elder to you. I 100% see a ray of sunlight in your life coming. There will be a lot of balance, lot of positivity. Believe me, by the end of April, you will see all the positivity around. With your health, you will feel 100% better and you will be feeling so much positive. There will be a lot of grace from the universe. I am so much sure that if you take this guidance, take some time and reset yourself, you will definitely, at the end of April, you will come out with flying colors. For all of you all, I see promotions and emotional stability coming ahead. This is a general reading for you all, so don't try to force if you do not resonate with it. Claim this reading by commenting April below.